Good morning to everyone. Now we will discuss about the topic as Fourier series. First we define Fourier series. An infinite trigonometric series, that is f of x equal to a naught by 2 a sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx is called a general form of the Fourier series, and the interval c comma c plus 2 phi satisfies the Dirichlet condition. It is called the Fourier series. Okay, where a naught, a n, b n are called the Fourier coefficients. So Fourier series has two types, and the first one is full range Fourier series, and the second one is off range Fourier series. So when the interval 0, 2 pi and minus pi to pi is called the full range Fourier series, and the off-range Fourier series classified as two types, and the first one is off-range cosine series, and the second one is off-range sine series. Both the off-range series come from the interval 0, pi. So next we will see two results based on full range Fourier series. First result 1. Result 1. When the interval 0, 2 pi, the Fourier series as defined as f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity b n into sin nx, where the coefficients a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x and into dx, and a n equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx into dx, and b n equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx. And the next result is result 2, when the interval is in minus pi to pi, the Fourier series is defined as again f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx, and the coefficients are defined as a naught equal to 1 by pi, and the limit only changed, that is minus pi to pi f of x into dx, and a n is also 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx into dx, and b n equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx into dx. So next we will see one problem. And the function is f of x equal to x plus x square. Find the Fourier series of f of x equal to x plus x square in the interval 0, 2 pi. Okay. So first now write the formula for the interval 0 to 2 pi. The Fourier series is defined as f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx, and the coefficients are a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx, and an equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx into dx, and bn equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx. Okay, so we will first find the values of a naught, a and bn, and substitute in the function f of x. We get the answer from the function f of x equal to x plus x square. Okay, so first we have to find the values of a naught. So a naught is 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx. Now substitute the value of f of x here. That is 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. F of x value is x plus x square into dx. So now integrate this function with respect to x. So 1 by pi. So integration of x is x square by 2, and integration of x square is x cube by 3, and the limit is 0 to 2 pi. First is substitute the upper limit, then put the minus sign, and then substitute the lower limit. Okay, that is 1 by pi. The upper limit is 2 pi, replace x by 2 pi. So 2 pi the whole square is 4 pi square divided by 2 plus, and replace x by 2 pi, that is 2 pi the whole cube is 8 pi cube divided by 3, minus the lower limit is 0. So x equal to 0 means the value is 0, 0 plus 0. So that is equal to 1 by pi. Cancel this 2 pi square. 2 pi square plus 8 pi cube divided by 3. So take 1 pi out. Pi by pi get cancelled. 2 pi plus 8 pi square by 3, that is equal to 2 pi plus 8 pi square by 3. This is the value of a naught. So a naught is 2 pi plus 8 pi square by 3. So next to find a. So a equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx into dx. So that is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. The function is x plus x square into cos nx into dx. Okay, here we have two functions. Okay, so use the Bernoulli's formula to integrate this value. That is, the Bernoulli's formula is integration of uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus etc. Here u dash, u double dash, u triple dash etc. are called derivatives. v1, v2, v3 are called integrals. Okay, so take the first function as u and the second one as v. So u equal to x plus x square and v equal to cos nx. So now differentiate u. You will get u dash, that is differentiation of x is 1 and the differentiation of x square is 2x. Now again differentiate the function. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and the differentiation of 2x is 2x. Differentiation of x is 1, so constant is kept as same. Next integration. Now integrate this function. Integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n. Now again differentiate this. v2, take 1 by n is constant out. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n. Minus cos nx by n, and that is equal to minus cos nx divided by n into n is n square. Again differentiate v3. So take 1 by n square out and differentiate, integrate cos nx. Integration of cos is sin nx divided by n. So that is minus sin nx divided by n cube. So the formula is u v1, u dash v2 and u double dash v3. So substitute the values here. So therefore that is 1 by pi u v1, u is x plus x square and the v1 is sin nx divided by n minus 1 plus 2x into minus cos nx divided by n square plus 2 into minus sin nx divided by n cube, and the limit is 0 to 2 pi. So first is substitute the upper limit, replace x by 2 pi. So sin 2n pi is 0. So both the term is 0. 0 minus 1 plus replace x by 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi minus cos 2n pi divided by n square. And the sin 2 pi is 0. So next substitute the lower limit. Sin 0 is 0 minus 1 plus 0 into anything 0. So cos 0 is 1. So minus 1 divided by n square, again sin 0 is 0. So that is equal to 1 by pi. Minus into minus plus, cos 2n pi is also 1. So upper 1 plus 4 pi into 1 by n square. Here minus into minus plus, again 1 minus. So 3 minus is minus. So minus 1 by n square. Now simplify this. 1 by pi. 1 into 1 by n square is 1 by n square. 4 pi divided by n square minus 1 by n square. So minus 1 by n square plus 1 by n square get cancelled. So the remaining term is 4 by n square. So now cancel 1 pi. We will get 4 by n square. So the value of IAN is 4 by n square. So the last term is Bn, where Bn equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx. That is 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi. The function is x plus x square into sin nx into dx. So that is 1 by pi. So again we will use Bernoulli's formula. That is uv formula. Okay. So the formula is uv1 minus u dash v2 etc. So I will directly substitute the formula. That is first u is x plus x square. The integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n minus. Now differentiate this. Differentiation of x is 1 and x square is 2x. So now integrate this. Minus integration of sin cos nx is sin nx divided by n square and plus. So now differentiate this. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and x is 1. So that is equal to 2 minus integrate this function. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx. Here one minus, so minus into minus is plus. cos nx divided by n cube. So the limit is 0 to 2 pi. So that is equal to 1 by pi. First substitute the upper limit, replace x by 2 pi. So 2 pi plus 2 x square, that is 2 pi the whole square, that is 4 pi square, minus cos 2 pi is 1, so minus 1 by n, and sin 2 pi is 0, the second term is 0, 2 into, and cos 2 pi is 1, so up 1 by n cube. This is the upper limit, minus, next put lower limit, that is 0, replace x by 0, so 0 into anything is 0, sin 0 is 0, so that is also 0, plus 2 into cos 0 is 1, so 1 by n cube. That is equal to 1 by pi multiply these two, minus 2 pi by n minus 4 pi square by n plus 2 by n cube plus into minus minus 2 by n cube plus 2 by and minus 2 by n cube get cancelled. So the remaining term is minus 2 pi by n minus 4 pi square by n. Okay, that is equal to, take one pi is common, so take one pi is out. That is pi by pi minus 2 by n minus 4 pi by n. So cancel pi, we will get minus 2 by n minus 4 pi by n. So this is the value of Bn. Now substitute all the values in the function f of x. That is f of x is a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. So that is a naught value is 2 pi plus 8 pi square by 3. The 1 by 2 into a naught plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, and the an value is 4 by n square into cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. The bn value is minus 2 by n minus 4 pi by n into sin nx. Now simplify these two. Both the terms 2 is common, so take it out. 2 by 2, the remaining values pi plus 4 pi square by 3 plus cancel 2 sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 4 by n square into cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 2 by n minus 4 pi by n into sin nx. So that is pi plus 4 pi square by 3. 4 is constant, so we will take it out. Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity cos nx divided by n square plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 2 by n minus 4 pi by n into sin nx. So this is the Fourier series for the function x plus x square. Thank you.